It's just been pretty tricky getting this generator in there, and the trick is to keep the belt over the front pulley and over the pulley on the generator. So I have the back hole for the mount aligned, so I'm gonna start by putting this one in, and you want to check your tension on your belt. It looks pretty good from what I can see. It's going around there. I'm not going to torque this one all the way down in because I still need to get the other 4 in. I'll try to get the one on the opposing side. That one's kind of high. It's going to have to go down a little bit. Not a lot, just a little bit. This is very difficult. Oh, too much. That's still too low. How that looks. Oh, it's a little bit too high. So. Oh, I think that's about right. I don't know if that's in there square. Try to start this bolt. I have to finagle in. The front 2 bolts on each side. Again, I'm not like torquing this down. I'm still possibly going to need to make adjustments, and I want to check that to make sure. Okay, yeah, that the belt for the generator is still spinning. It looks like the front one needs to go down. If I could push that down just a little bit. Oh, too much. I think that's too much. Check the other side. This is a tricky job. Well, I don't know. I don't even see it on that side. Oh my god, that's like tilted way down. It needs to come up in the front. Ooh, this is gonna be a challenge. I'm gonna have to wait a minute. I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Turn this, make sure that the belt's still on there. Looks like it's doing okay. Yeah, working on RC helicopters, stuff like this can be very challenging, and doing it this way, I don't know if that's going in there. I don't know, does that need to come up a tiny little bit more? Maybe. Try that. Alright, that's going in. Again, I'm not tightening it completely because I need to make sure that I have that mounting plate square and they're nice and level. Let's see if this hole, yeah, that hole looks pretty good. One last bolt to put in. And you always want to use Loctite whenever you're doing metal to metal, because with all the vibrations, hang on, I'm gonna push this muffler up because it's kind of tweaking this bolt at a little bit of an angle. But anytime you have a, you know, I don't know if that's a line, right? It shouldn't be that tight. I think it's going in at an angle. You don't want it to go in at an angle. So I'm going to try to push this muffler down. To give me more clearance to put that in there straight. I'm not 100% sure that's lined up. Alright, that's going in a little bit better. I need to put some more Loctite on there. Yeah. If you don't put Loctite on, you know, you have a metal bolt and it's going into some metal threads, it will definitely vibrate loose on you. But I don't know, that's like getting crazy tight. It shouldn't be that tight. These are normal. This is normal. So I don't know if maybe that's not quite aligned. I might have to move it a little bit. I'm trying to see with the flashlight. That looks like that's the hole. Might need to be pushed down a slight. I don't know what I'm pushing on there. Okay. That looks like that